Okay, this time I'm doing another XY Flashfire. I did paint it again and draw on it with heavy markers. So let's get back on to the video. Get the Xerneas pack. Yes. And not those more trade away. So energy, special energy, rainbow energy. Lately, I've gotten that one a lot. 7 times. See that. Fletchling. Rock. Starvia. Mesprit. Bidoof. I don't know how to pronounce that. Dodo. Ducklet. Okay. The rare, ultra rare, I think. Oh, Xerneas EX with 170 health and 140 damage. Breakthrough 60. So that'll be the end of my video today, but I will be giving out some cards, maybe. Again, subscribe, comment, like, and the energy, special energy, and protection. Like it. Xerneas. Xerneas. Protection key. Dodo. Mesprit. Bidoof. Energy, rainbow energy again. And that. Ducklet is my favorite one in this pack other than Xerneas. The rare one's my favorite, but how about not rare? Starvia. Crocodile. Fletchling. Cedar. Those are the starring cards in this pack. So I'll say bye and have a nice day. I'll just see my cards. Bye.